So today I'll be showing you how to perform the ball roll in FC24. Okay, so the ball roll is basically rolling the ball on the turf like this, and as you can see in the top right corner, this basically involves your right analog stick. So let me just get the ball first. Oops. So as you can see, we have right analog stick, to the left to roll left, and to the right to roll right, like this. So just check out the analog and the way I'm pushing it in the controller overlay in the top right corner. And you can also do this while moving. So when you're moving, you can do this to just get away from a defender, like this. Something like that. So basically that's how you do it. Of course, you might want to do it in a more productive way. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.